The fastest spinning planet in the solar system. 1. Jupiter completes a full rotation in just under 10 hours. Jupiter spins incredibly fast on its axis. Its rotational velocity is 28,148 miles per hour. This rapid rotation is much faster than Earth's. It's why Jupiter has a slightly flattened shape. The planet bulges at its equator. 2. Jupiter is 318 times more massive than Earth. It's the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. It makes up 71% of the total planetary mass in the solar system. Despite its size, adding more mass wouldn't make Jupiter much larger. More mass would make it denser and smaller. 3. Jupiter is often called a failed star. The planet is mostly hydrogen and helium. This is similar to the Sun's composition. However, Jupiter doesn't have enough mass to start nuclear fusion. It would need 70 times more mass to become a star. Even so, it radiates more heat than it receives from the Sun. 4. Jupiter has a faint ring system. Like Saturn, Jupiter has rings. They're much fainter and harder to see. The rings are made of dust particles. These likely come from meteor impacts on Jupiter's moons. The ring system has 3 main parts: an inner halo, a bright main ring, and an outer gossamer ring. 5. Jupiter has at least 79 known moons. The planet is like a miniature solar system. It has 4 large moons, called the Galilean satellites. These are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It's even bigger than Mercury. Many of Jupiter's smaller moons were only discovered after 1975. 6. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's. It's generated by electrical currents in the liquid metallic hydrogen core. This field creates a vast magnetosphere. It traps charged particles from the solar wind and Jupiter's volcanic moon, Io. 7. The Great Red Spot has existed for at least 350 years. This massive storm is Jupiter's most recognizable feature. It's an anticyclonic storm south of Jupiter's equator. The Great Red Spot is huge. It could contain 2 or 3 Earths. It was first observed in 1665. The storm has been shrinking over time. Scientists aren't sure how long it will last. 8. There are massive cyclones at Jupiter's poles. Both of Jupiter's poles have clusters of huge storms. These are continent-sized cyclones. They are densely packed and rub against each other. Some are up to 19 miles high. They extend hundreds of miles across. 9. Jupiter is so massive that it affects the Sun's motion. Most planets orbit around the Sun's center. Jupiter is different. It and the Sun both orbit around a shared center of gravity. This point is located just above the Sun's surface. It's about 30,000 miles from the Sun's center. 10. A day on Jupiter's equator is shorter than at its poles. Jupiter's rapid rotation causes an interesting effect. The planet spins faster at its equator than at its poles. This is called differential rotation. A day at Jupiter's equator lasts about 9 hours and 56 minutes. At the poles, a day is about 9 hours and 58 minutes.